The Wampat 2-in-1 sideboard buffet cabinet with glass door is a versatile and stylish furniture piece that adds both functionality and elegance to any space. Its multifunctional design and adjustable shelf storage make it suitable for various rooms such as the living room, kitchen, pantry, or corridor, offering ample space to store coffee machines, toiletries, spice jars, snacks, fruit, and more. The minimalist style and classic colors ensure it blends seamlessly with any existing furniture, saving valuable space in your home. One notable feature of the Wampat Scarlet series is its curved edge design, which sets it apart from traditional buffet storage cabinets. These curved edges not only add a touch of sophistication but also enhance safety, particularly for families with children, by preventing accidental injuries. Constructed with high-grade certified wood frames and thickened desktops, this buffet cabinet is built to last. The addition of high-quality rebar ensures smooth sliding doors and durability, providing a reliable storage solution for your kitchen or living area. The vintage gourd-shaped leg design adds a unique aesthetic to your interior decor, while the transparent tempered glass doors make it easy to find and display your favorite items, adding a touch of nobility and elegance to your room. With a dimension of 57.9 inches long, 15.7 inches wide, and 28.1 inches high, this buffet cabinet offers ample storage space without compromising on style. Additionally, Wampat offers exceptional after-sales service and a lifetime warranty, ensuring peace of mind and customer satisfaction. Their commitment to professional customer service and prompt responses to inquiries within 24 hours further enhance the overall buying experience. In conclusion, the Wampat 2-in-1 sideboard buffet cabinet with glass door is a versatile, durable, and stylish furniture piece that not only meets your storage needs but also enhances the aesthetic appeal of your home. With its thoughtful design features and excellent customer service, it's a worthy investment for any household.